Hey there guys, Mr. Midas is here with the review of exponential functions for my Calculus BC class. So like I said, it's just going to be a quick review of exponential functions. You should have already learned this stuff in pre-calculus. I'm just going to go and graph these exponential functions here for you in my calculator. So y equals 2 to the x power. And there's that one. And let's do y equals, let's see what else did I have here. Y equals e to the x. So e to the x power. Notice they're pretty similar, right? And finally 3 to the x squared minus 5. Let's try that. 3 to the x squared minus 5. Alright, whoa, that one looks a bit different, right? But what you can notice here, though, is that we generally increase, or I guess this is decreasing, but they go up really fast, right? And these ones right here, notice that they are growing, and they have a horizontal asymptote. So in general, when you have an exponential function with a number in the base and an exponent with an x in the power there, you have an exponential function, and it grows very, very fast. And it grows actually much faster than any power function, so any quadratic or square or anything. An exponential function grows much, much faster than a power function. So let's see what we got. In general, this is true for a function, an exponential function in the form of a to the x. So let's take a look at this and see if we can, oops, I don't want to do that. Let's see if we can graph this without using a calculator. Let me make this bigger here. We zoom in a little bit. All right, so how do we graph this without a calculator? Well, we're just going to use some of the same graphing techniques we did before, some step-by-step graphing as I call it. So f of x equals e to the x. You know, that looks, we just saw what that looked like. That goes like that. If I apply a negative in the power, that's going to reflect it around the y-axis. So my second step, which would be e to the negative x, is going to go like this. Finally, I have e to the negative x plus 1 is going to make it go up 1. So I'm going to be at 2 here. It's going to go up like this. And it's going to go, I probably could have done that better, guys. It's going to go towards a horizontal asymptote of 1. And it's going to go up like this. Okay, so that would be our graph here. All right, so that's just a quick review of some of the major things you need to know about exponential functions, the way they look, how to move them around and shifting using some translations, and then of course we're going to get into the thick of things for calculus, which is how do we take the derivative and how do we integrate those. Okay, all right, we'll see you soon, guys. Bye.